but that'll definitely burst into flames here in a minute, so I'll let that happen. Okay, she's flaming up nice. Go ahead and yeah, close it. I'll pull that back. And I'll even close this guy.